Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming you're signed into iCloud. Open Settings and tap your name to verify the Apple ID. Once done, locate the photo you want, either in Photos or Files, and make sure it's cropped or edited because iCloud uses that image. Make sure your device is online and running the latest iOS so changes sync. Now, go back to your top-level settings where your Apple ID is visible. That's where you'll replace the iCloud profile picture. You tap your name at the top of Settings and then the circular profile image to begin. Next, choose Take Photo to snap a fresh image, choose Photo to pick from your library, or Browse to import a file. The reason is flexibility. Some formats crop better than others. After selecting, position and scale the image, iCloud displays a rounded crop, so align the subject. Then tap Choose and Done to commit the change. This updates your Apple ID and start syncing to devices. You finish by confirming the picture appeared on your other Apple devices. Open Settings and view your profile on each to verify. If it hasn't synced, sign out and sign back into iCloud or toggle account syncing. These actions refresh your profile data. Make sure you have sufficient iCloud storage and a stable network connection, then restart the device. If the avatar still won't update after these steps, contact Apple support since account level is.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.